Are you ready to receive unexpected money from nowhere fast? Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Oh yeah, it's a good feeling to receive money unexpectedly. To go to your PayPal account and there's an extra $1,000 or $2,000 that you didn't expect. How about going into your mailbox and pulling out something and opening it up? Maybe you think it's a bill, and there it is, a check. A check you did not expect. You didn't even know you had the money coming. It happens all the time. It happened to me. I'm going to share my personal experience that happened just the other day. But first, I just want to say that I've had so many clients that have received money unexpectedly. One had her house paid off by a friend. The friend literally just paid off her house. She never asked. She just received. She put it out to the universe that somehow she was going to have her house paid off. And her friend got wind of it. And I believe the universe worked through her friend, and her friend said, well, I have the money. I'll pay off her house. Mortgage, free and clear, all gone, no more mortgage. Now she owns her house completely. How about another client who won the lottery? Actually, it wasn't a lottery, it was a scratcher for $1 million. Unexpected money just coming to you easily and effortlessly. I had a client who came to me. He had no money, totally flat ass broke. And he said, I need a new truck for my business. And every bank has turned me down because I don't have a job. I said, well, okay. So what are you going to do about it? He says, that's why I'm talking to you. So we began doing vibrational and energy work. And then I said, start calling on the ads in the paper. He said, nobody's going to give me a truck. I said, someone is going to give you a truck, or at least make it easy for you to afford it. He found a gentleman who had a 2-year-old truck. 2 years old. He paid the gentleman $500 down and drove away with the truck. It wasn't a business sale or through a car lot. It was a private owner. And guess what that owner did? Having never met this person before, guess what the owner did? The owner signed over the title. He said, I trust you. I believe you. I support you. He has a business that he is working on, and he wanted to support him. I support you. He gave him $500. He drove away with a truck that was only 2 years old. That's almost more incredible than winning the $1 million with a scratcher, I think. How about another client of mine who came to me and says, I'm unemployed, but I have a business idea. And within 1 week, he had $25,000 in his bank account. Within about 2 years, he had $1.8 million in investments in his business. That's money from unexpected sources, and it's easy. So you can have your bills paid off. You can receive money for vacations. You can receive money in large lump sums, but you have to believe in it. You have to open yourself up to that possibility and not be one of those people that says, well, that never happens to me. That only happens to other people. That kind of stuff never happens to me. Why not say, I'm one of those people that good things happen to. I'm one of those people that end up finding money. I'm one of those people that money just comes to me unexpectedly. You see, what you believe, deep down, what you believe is what you will manifest. The universe matches your beliefs. Now, high flyers, people, when they don't have money and they operate from a position of lack, it's very difficult to manifest from a position of lack. It's very difficult to manifest from a position of want. And the reason is, when you operate from a position of lack, when you operate from a position of want, you're going to attract more lack. You're going to attract more want. So when you operate from a position of need, I need money, that's when you are less likely to attract money. So what I'm going to ask you to do is take that need, whatever your need is, and transform it into a seed that you're going to plant in the infinite field of potential, and you're going to grow the crop of your choice, which in this case is abundance, wealth, and unexpected money flowing into your life. So high flyers, I believe it's absolutely essential to set an intention and then detach from the outcome. To simply let it go and let it flow, as they say. Now, it wasn't too long ago that I added to my own personal affirmations, money comes to me easily and unexpectedly from unexpected sources. So, yesterday, I received a check from a life insurance company. Now, my father passed away 20 years ago. I've worked in the life insurance industry. I mean, if they have an amount of money to pay you, they will find you. And here it is, 20 years later, unexpectedly, I get a check in the mail. I mean, it's incredible. It's not a huge check. It's for $1,164. But it's unexpected money coming and flowing into my life. I got another check the same day for about $200 from another source. And it's happening every week now. Money is coming into my life. I am like a magnet for money because I'm detached from it. I expect it to flow into my life. I'm certain it will flow into my life. And I don't sit there and wait for it, and I'm not in a state of need. You know, if I rip this check up right now, it wouldn't hurt me one way or the other. It wouldn't bother me. I don't like ripping up money. I think it's kind of a bad thing to do. It's kind of a bad energy. It's a low vibrational act, but you get the idea. It wouldn't trouble me. I'm not operating from a position of need. And the people who have attracted that I've mentored, they've taken that need and turned it into a seed. And the seed is an intention. And then it's backed up by a belief and an affirmation. And then at that point, it becomes a reality once you just let it go. Now, you don't go running out checking your mailbox every day. You don't do that. You don't get up first thing in the morning and check your PayPal account. You just allow it to show up into your life. Now, high flyers, I'm going to share with you 3 affirmations that I have used and others have used that I've worked with that have attracted large sums of money, a tremendous amount of abundance and wealth into their life. And you can too. Start using these affirmations, but first, place the intention, write it out. My intention is to begin receiving large sums of money from unexpected sources. Write out that intention. Here's your affirmation number 1. Money is too damn easy to make. Write that down below here. Come on. Money's too damn easy to make. Oh, yeah. How about this one? Money comes to me from unexpected sources in unexpected ways. And number 3, good things, including money, are always coming my way. Good things, including money, are always coming my way. Now, money can come to you in the form of a new car. It can come to you in the form of a paid-off house. It can come to you in the form of a paid vacation. I have a vacation I'm going on later this year. I haven't set the date. And it's at a beautiful resort, and it's all paid for. Do you realize in the last several years, Rachel and I have had a vacation almost every year at a major resort that has been paid for by someone else. Gotta love it. It works. It happens. Don't wait. Don't look. Totally trust. Don't wait. Don't wait for it to happen. Don't look for it to happen. Don't ask when it's going to happen. Just totally trust. Plant your seeds daily. Unexpected sources of income, unexpected wealth, unexpected checks, unexpected money. Just let it come to you. It's ready to fall into your hands. It's raining gold coins. Oh, yeah. Have a great day because you absolutely, oh, yeah, deserve it. Bye-bye now.